I think the best way to fix this is going to be to come in here and just take a strip out like so to somewhere.
Hey, Chance, what we got here?
What have I done? Mommy!
I mean, this is not easy to get to. Heat gun's a lot more controlled. So Pat, let me ask you a question real quick. What do you want to do with these parts? You want to put this back together again?
Country like Merle, country like Loretta, that honky-tonk girl. Country like Towns, country like Travis, I'm a country fried junkie with a bad habit. Country like Chris, country like Gretchen, if you ain't cooking country, then get out of the kitchen. I'm a country like Hank, 1, 2, and 3, dropping like peaches from the family tree. Country like women, whiskey and wheels, yeah, I know it is country cause I know how it feels. Country like Willie, country like Willie, country like...
Put it on normal. I have no idea, right? That's just no primer steel.
Yeah.
Alright, well, now though. It's I'll paint it. So this thing says ML1B. This one says ML3A. Alright guys, closer, still got some work to do. It's amazing, it doesn't take much.
I wake up in the morning in this great blue state. Golden fingers caress my face. Slips through the window on a silky breeze. A dreamer's line to plant some seeds. All my doubts, a lighted mirror reflecting out every true potential